Will you still be?
Hey divas, so in today's video I have a video that is a little bit different. As you guys could probably tell by the title, I'll be sharing with you guys some Croc boots that I got. I absolutely become obsessed with Crocs this year because, as you guys know, we've been home and you have to find things that are comfortable and everything like that, so I have become addicted to Crocs. Like, I got a whole collection. Anyways, today we are here to talk about the Croc boots that I have, and I'm also going to be comparing them to the regular clog because they are supposed to be the boot version of the clogs. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so here is the boots. This is how mostly Crocs come, unless you get them out of the store, then they come in a bag, because I noticed when I order them online they come in a bag, and then when I get them in the store they come in a box. So this is how they look, and I didn't used to keep the bags, but I feel like I need to start keeping the bags, especially because I have so many, just like so that it's like more sanitary. So anyways, here is how the boots look. I hope that the lighting is not gonna like mess everything up. So let me see if on the tag it says which one. So yeah, these are the classic lined neo puff boots, and as you guys can see, I have them in the color white. I thought these were super cute. I did want the black ones, but they sold out in my size and I was so freaking mad, and that's why I put off doing this video, because I was hopeful that I was going to be able to get the black ones, but I have not been able to get them, and now they're available, but they're only online and available at certain places, so it's annoying. But anyways, here is how they look. So I think that they are super duper cute. So they look just like the classic clog, as you guys can see. So here is the top, so you can still put like gibbets and stuff in there. And then here's the back. I don't know if you will be able to like push it forward. I'm gonna take this cardboard out so we can see, but I want to show you guys like how the shoe looks first. So yeah, and then here's the back. So it does have the strap, and then it has the actual boot part. So this is, it's like one of the swishy jackets. I cannot think, oh, like a windbreaker. So that's how it feels, just in case you wanted to know. And then on the inside it is like really fuzzy, and it feels so soft and so nice. So yeah, that's how the inside is. And then it has this drawstring in case you want to tighten them. So now I'm gonna see if I can, I think you actually, yeah, because I like to wear my Crocs like this, so if you wanted to, you actually could pull it forward, so you don't have to wear it back there if you don't want to. I would imagine that it's more support if you wear it back there, but it is kind of cute up here, especially if you added like some charms here, because it does have places where you can add the charms, or gibbets rather. So yeah, so now that I gave you guys the tour of the boot, like one thing that I wanted to know that I did not see online was how it compared to like the regular classic clog, like what was going to be the difference and everything. Obviously the boot part, but I wanted to know in more detail, and I did not see anybody's video with that, so I am going to share it with you guys right now. I bought these white Crocs and I wanted to wear them so many times, but I was like, you know what, since my neo puff boots are new and they're white, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait until I do my video. So these came in a box because I actually got these from the store, so yeah. So anywho, here is the white one. This is the classic clog. So here they are side by side. So I'm already noticing like there's a difference. So you see how there's holes here on the classic clog? They are not on the neo puff boot, which is really good because obviously this is a boot, so you want to keep your feet warm, and you know it's cold right now, so you definitely don't want them to be open. However, you can wear socks, because that's what I do with my Crocs right now. I just wear socks, or sometimes I don't have to because I live in California, but that is one of the major differences. As you guys can see here, like there is the holes here, and then there is no holes there. Also, another difference that I noticed was the fact that you can put gibbets on here on the strap part of this one, on the Neo Puff boot, whereas here you are not able to put any because there is no holes for that. So so that's the difference between the two. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you guys how I feel about it. So I did try it on and everything is super comfortable. It pretty much feels like a regular Croc, only that it is a boot and that your feet will be protected. I would definitely recommend that you wear socks with them, just for sanitary purposes. I mean, it does feel good on your feet, but I feel like it would be better like if you wore them with socks, so you can keep them like a lot cleaner. And for me, I would feel more comfortable, but you know, you can do whatever you want with your Crocs. But I did try them on, and they feel really comfortable, so that's one thing I really love. And I really like these. I did purchase the UGG boots, and I was gonna do a video on those, but I just did not like them. They were very narrow. I have I have a wide foot, so that just does not work for me. And these Crocs are just amazing because they're pretty wide, so I don't have to worry about them, you know, just being like too narrow and just uncomfortable. So that's why I was really satisfied with this one. So I would definitely recommend these. Like, these are really cute. Hopefully I can get my hands on the black ones because I really do like these boots. I'm actually going to be wearing them today. I am going to insert some footage of them on my feet so you guys can see how they look on my feet and everything. And yeah, overall they are really nice. I just wanted to come and share with you guys. I am going to be sharing more Croc videos with you guys because I did just get a pair of the collaboration with Post Malone, so that video will be coming up really soon. I'll be posting it this week. And yeah, so definitely make sure you subscribe if you're not already. But yeah, these are super cute. So I am gonna go and run my errands and everything. I just had to come and share this boot with you, as well as the comparison to the regular classic clog. And yeah, I am in love. So yeah, I'm gonna finally get to wear them since I did this video. Please comment down below and let me know if you guys love Crocs. Like, I absolutely love Crocs. They are just so freaking comfortable. I am going to share my whole collection with you guys one day, but one day soon though, because I know I'm going to always add to it. But I don't know, like, I'm gonna share with you guys my collection, because probably right after Christmas, because I think I might get myself some more for Christmas. But anyways, divas, thank you fabulous girls so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know if you love Crocs. Let me know what's your favorite colors, and do you like to put gibbets in them. I like to put gibbets in mine, but I'm totally fine if I wear my Crocs without gibbets. I really don't mind, but I do have some gibbets and I like to put them in there every now and again. But yeah, definitely comment down below and let me know if you have to have them with gibbets or not, or what's your favorite color, or what's your favorite kind of Croc. Just comment down below and let me know. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.